Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson and I'm going to be showing you and testing out different recipes from across all of the internet, from Pinterest to BuzzFeed to your everyday blogger, and just give you a real honest answer to how things taste. A link to the recipe down in the bottom bar below. So today I felt like making some muffins, so I went on Pinterest and this one came up. It's a chocolate chip muffin recipe from the website littlesweetbaker.com. So if you're interested in seeing how these taste, then just keep watching.
So first things first was to add 1.5 cups of chocolate chips and stir them in, but I had baking chips, so I had to do that. And then I mixed in my wet ingredients and then stirred that around and then added them to my dry ingredients. And then she said to mix this and be very careful about not over mixing, but I found that a little bit difficult with this recipe. But then I added my muffin liners in. She didn't say anything about spraying them, and I use a small ice cream scoop to do this so that I can get even amounts. So I did 3 scoops in each one, so I got 3 tablespoons at first, but then I had a bunch of batter left over, so I added in an extra scoop, so it equaled to about 4 tablespoons in each cupcake to make them even. And then I baked them at 450 for 5 minutes and then lowered the temperature to 375 and finished baking them.
All right, so I left these cool for about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you guys know what I think. They're very good. They're very chocolatey. So if you're a person that loves chocolate, these are totally going to be right up your alley. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of chocolate. I like chocolate to be more of my accent flavor rather than the bold flavor that it is. But these are delicious. I will probably be making these again. So give me a thumbs up for chocolate chip muffins. I just want to let you guys know again that any recipes that I make, I'm not taking any credit for. I'm not making any alterations or twisting them to be to my liking. I'm following them to a T to let you guys know how each and every recipe is. So leave a comment down below if you have any other recipes that you want tested. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see what we're going to be making next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.